Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of no-skill woodworking projects, crafts ideas that inspire transform your home. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Woodworking has long been seen as an art form reserved for seasoned craftsmen, individuals who have spent years mastering the intricacies of tools, joinery, and finishes. Yet in recent years, a new wave of creativity has emerged, proving that meaningful, beautiful, and even profitable woodcraft does not always require advanced skill, specialized equipment, or formal training, because what matters most is not technical perfection, but the intention, imagination, and story behind each creation. And this realization is inspiring a meaningful movement that encourages every woodcraft lover, whether seasoned or brand new, to create their own projects, shaping a new cultural understanding of what it means to live with and love the objects that surround us in our homes. This shift toward accessible woodworking is not merely a trend, but a transformation in how people engage with creativity, as no-skill wood projects are not about cutting dovetails or carving ornate details, but about transforming simple, everyday materials, scrap planks, driftwood, pre-cut boards, or even fallen branches, into objects of utility, charm, and emotional resonance, giving people the chance to touch the process of making without intimidation and discover joy in creating something tangible, purposeful, and personal. For many, these projects serve as their first encounter with the soul of woodworking, an invitation to experience the satisfaction of shaping raw material into something that reflects their vision. And the result is not just a piece of decor or furniture, but a deeper connection to home and self. What makes this movement so impactful is that it empowers individuals to see wood not as an intimidating medium requiring mastery, but as a living, forgiving material that welcomes experimentation, encourages imperfection, and rewards creativity, because unlike plastic or metal, wood carries warmth, texture, and history in every grain, making even the simplest project feel rich with character and meaning. The act of crafting something, no matter how small, sparks a shift in perspective. Suddenly, a shelf made from reclaimed planks is not just a storage solution, but a statement of sustainability and self-reliance. A planter assembled from leftover scraps becomes both a functional piece and a living connection to nature, and a handmade tray transforms into an heirloom not because of its flawless construction, but because of the time, effort, and intention that went into its making. These small acts of creation ripple outward, influencing how people choose the objects that fill their homes and lives, as they begin to favor authenticity over mass production, storytelling over uniformity, and meaning over mere function. In this way, no-skill woodworking projects are more than crafts, they are catalysts of cultural change, fostering a deeper appreciation for sustainability, for natural materials, and for the power of making, while simultaneously challenging the throwaway culture of convenience and fast consumption. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The movement also bridges generations, as grandparents, parents, and children can come together to create, proving that woodworking is not bound by age or experience, but is a universal language of connection, memory, and care. With every project, No matter how simple, carrying the potential to strengthen bonds and preserve traditions in a modern world that often forgets the value of slowness and intentionality. For those already immersed in woodworking, these beginner-friendly approaches provide a fresh reminder of why they fell in love with the craft in the first place, stripping away complexity and returning to the heart of creativity. An appreciation for the beauty of raw material and the joy of shaping it into something new. For beginners, the experience is often transformative, showing them that they are capable of creating beauty with their own hands, and this realization fosters not only confidence, but curiosity, often leading them deeper into the craft, expanding their skills and imaginations over time. At its core, this movement is about more than decoration or utility. It is about reclaiming a sense of agency and artistry in everyday life. Reminding people that they do not need to passively consume when they have the power to create, and that even the smallest handmade object can carry immense value, both emotional and practical. As these projects find their way into homes, they change the atmosphere, filling spaces with warmth, authenticity, and stories, creating environments that feel alive and personal rather than sterile or manufactured. And for many, what begins as a simple project soon blossoms into a lifestyle, a commitment to making rather than buying, to sustainability rather than waste, and even to entrepreneurship. As casual makers realize their handmade pieces can also hold market value, turning passion into income while staying rooted in authenticity. What makes this movement even more significant is the way it connects creativity with broader values that matter deeply in today's world: sustainability, mindfulness, and intentional living. Every time someone takes a piece of wood that might otherwise be discarded and transforms it into something new, they participate in a quiet act of resistance against a culture of waste, proving that beauty and usefulness can emerge from what others overlook. In this sense, no-skill woodworking is not just about accessibility, it is about empowerment and environmental stewardship, reminding us that every choice, no matter how small, contributes to a larger story of how we live on this planet. It's about reclaiming the right to shape our surroundings, to invest love and care into our homes, and to pass forward objects that hold meaning beyond their physical form. Whether it's a simple box, a rustic sign, or a playful planter, these projects demonstrate that creativity does not need to be perfect to be powerful. They stand as proof that woodworking is not only for the skilled few, but for everyone, and in that inclusivity lies its future, a movement where every creation is both personal expression and collective inspiration. The rise of no-skill woodworking projects signals a meaningful evolution in both craft and culture, one that empowers every woodcraft lover to create with confidence, to embrace imperfection as beauty, and to see the act of making not as a test of skill, but as a journey of connection, to materials, to home, to community, and to oneself. And as this movement continues to grow, it is reshaping not only the craft of woodworking, but the very way people choose, cherish, and experience the objects that fill their lives, proving that true value lies not in perfection, but in the presence of human hands and human stories in every piece. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked no-skill woodworking projects, crafts, ideas that inspire, transform your home. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.